When considering a new crop for your farm, there's one question that stands out above the rest. How much money can you actually make? Today, we're diving deep into the world of dragon beans, a unique, high-yield legume that's capturing the attention of smart farmers and agri-entrepreneurs across the globe. If you've ever wondered how much revenue you can generate from just 1 acre of dragon beans, you're in the right place. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we break down the numbers, the strategies, and the secrets behind profitable modern farming. First, let's introduce dragon beans, also known as winged beans or Sophocarpus tetragonalobus. Dragon beans are celebrated for their versatility, nutritional value, and resilience. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, making them an excellent choice for farmers in Asia, Africa, South America, and similar regions. Every part of the plant is edible, from the pods and seeds to the leaves and tubers, making it a powerhouse for both consumption and sale. But what does all this mean for your bottom line? Let's start by examining the potential yields from 1 acre of dragon beans. Under optimal conditions, dragon bean plants can yield between 4,000 to 6,000 kilograms of fresh pods per acre per season. This number can vary based on factors like seed variety, soil quality, irrigation, and farm management practices. For our calculations, let's use a conservative average yield of 5,000 kilograms per acre. Now, onto the big question. What's the market value? Dragon beans are considered a specialty crop in many markets. In local markets, fresh pods can fetch anywhere from $1 to $2 per kilogram, depending on quality and demand. In premium or health-conscious markets, prices can go even higher, sometimes reaching $3 or $4 per kilogram. For our analysis, let's assume a moderate selling price of $1.50 per kilogram. At this price, 5,000 kilograms would generate a gross income of $7,500 per acre for one growing season. But what about the costs? Smart agriculture is about maximizing profit, not just revenue. Let's break down the typical expenses associated with cultivating 1 acre of dragon beans. Seed costs. Dragon bean seeds can be pricier than ordinary legumes, often costing around $20 to $30 per kilogram. You'll need approximately 20 kilograms per acre, totaling about $500. Land preparation, plowing, harrowing, and bed preparation might cost around $300 per acre. Fertilizers and soil amendments. Depending on your soil's fertility, you may spend between $200 and $400. Labor. Planting, staking, weeding, and harvesting are labor-intensive tasks. Labor costs can vary widely, but a typical estimate is about $800 per acre for the season. Irrigation. If you're using drip irrigation or supplemental watering, budget around $300 per acre per season. Plant protection. Pesticides, organic treatments, or integrated pest management might add another $100 to $200. Miscellaneous expenses. Transportation, packaging, and marketing could total about $200. Adding up these expenses, the total cost of cultivating 1 acre of dragon beans comes to approximately $20,500. This leaves you with a potential net profit of $5,000 per acre per season, assuming a selling price of $1.50 per kilogram and a yield of 5,000 kilograms. But the story doesn't end there. Dragon beans have several unique advantages that can boost your profits even further. For one, the plant's leaves, flowers, and tubers are all marketable. Some farmers sell young shoots as leafy greens, which fetch premium prices in specialty markets and restaurants. The seeds can be processed into flour, and the tubers can be sold as a root vegetable. If you diversify your product offerings, your revenue per acre can increase by 10% to 20% or even more. Another benefit is the dragon bean's ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. This not only cuts down on input costs, but also improves soil health for future crops, a win-win for sustainable farming. Let's talk about seasonality and crop cycles. In tropical climates, dragon beans can be grown year-round, with up to 2 or even 3 harvests per year if conditions are favorable. If you optimize your scheduling, you could potentially double or triple your annual income from the same acre of land. Market access is another crucial factor. Direct-to-consumer sales, such as farmers markets, farm stands, or community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs, often yield the best prices. Establishing relationships with local restaurants, health food stores, and specialty grocers can also secure higher margins. Export markets may offer premium prices but may require certifications and adherence to stricter quality standards. Now let's address some challenges. Dragon beans are relatively easy to grow, but they do require support structures, such as trellises or stakes, which add to labor and material costs. Pest and disease management is essential, especially in humid regions. Knowledge of integrated pest management and organic practices can help you minimize losses and maintain high quality. So, is dragon bean farming right for you? It depends on your local market demand, climate, and willingness to invest in learning and infrastructure. For small-scale farmers, dragon beans represent a high-value crop with significant income potential per acre. For commercial growers, they can be a profitable addition to a diversified farm portfolio, especially when combined with value-added processing or direct sales. Let's recap the key numbers. With careful planning, average yields, and moderate market prices, you can expect a gross income of $7,500 per acre per season and a net profit of around $5,000 after expenses. With additional product diversification and efficient market access, these figures can be even higher. If you're ready to take the next step, start by sourcing high-quality seeds from reputable suppliers. Test your soil and prepare it with ample organic matter. Invest in sturdy trellising and plan for consistent irrigation. Most importantly, research your local market to identify the best sales channels and price points for your dragon bean harvest. Dragon bean farming isn't just about earning more from your acre. It's about embracing innovation, sustainability, and the growing demand for healthy, versatile foods. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a new agri-entrepreneur, now is the time to explore the potential of this remarkable crop. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on profitable crops, smart farming techniques, and real-world success stories. Join the SMART-AGRI Hub community and start your journey toward a more productive and profitable farm today.